In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to view your site's history on Wix, a popular website builder and platform. Open up your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. This is found at editor.wix.com. This is the platform where you can create and manage your website perfectly suited to your needs. Once you have accessed the Wix website editor, let's begin with the very first step. Find and target your cursor on the Site menu option, which is located at the top bar of your screen. This menu option shall be labeled simply as Site. You will need to left-click on this menu option to reveal additional options within it. From the drop-down menu that emerges once you click on Site, you will see an array of different features. Among these will be an option labeled as Site History. Go ahead and click on Site History. The Site History option will provide you with a detailed view of all the changes made to your site on Wix. Following that, a page or a pop-up may appear asking you to confirm your request to view your site's history. This will traditionally come in the form of a button labeled Go to Site History. Clicking this button, as the name suggests, will redirect you to your website's history page, where you can see every change you've ever made. Finally, this will take you to the Site History page. On this page, you will be able to see a full, elaborate history of changes made to your site. The Site History feature is quite useful as it logs all the past versions of your website, so you can view or restore any previous version at any time. And with that, you've successfully learned how to view your site history on Wix. This feature enables you to trace back your editing steps and provides a safety net for any changes you may want to reverse. So, go on and explore the invaluable asset that is your site history on Wix. Remember, the beauty of Wix lies in how it empowers you to be creative with your website while still making management functionalities readily available, such as viewing your site's history. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you now understand better just how useful and simple it is to navigate through the editing process on Wix. Until next time, happy web